Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on this Olens Big Glowy Lavender color. How unique is that? Lavender purple contact lens, which is such a rare color to put in contact lens. You don't often see it, especially in Olens itself, but I'll put like as many comparisons I have of the Olens purple collection for you guys along with this Big Glowy. Anywho, this is not really a new collection but a new color in this collection, because with the name Glowy, they do have Glowy Natural, the original Glowy, which I call original, and then you have the Big Glowy. I've done like a full comparisons with the differences with all the diameter and stuff. I'll put it up here if you guys want to check out, but this video I'll solely just be talking about these colors, and I'll show you guys like quick comparisons of all the other colors as well in this video. This diameter, this is 13.6, just like the name Big Glowy is the biggest diameter that Olens has released, and I've mentioned many times before, I feel like this is really large on me. As you guys can see on my eyes, it just makes my pupil look really big. And yeah, and I mean that's the goal, because they really want to pull off this whole like dolly eye look with the whole dark and bold limbering on the outside of this contact lens. We must as well jump straight into it. The color itself, just like the name Lavender, you can see on the crescent moon at the bottom, it consists of like this lavender purple color, which is so gorgeous, and I love how dark it looks on the eye, but at the same time it looks bright. As you can see on the side already, the crescent moon has already moved to the side. This one has stayed down. As I mentioned before in my other glowy contact lens review, some people may like the rotation, some people may not like it, and in terms of it, whether it stays, you know, like where you position it, obviously it doesn't, so it really depends on how you like it. With this pattern, going back to it, so the bottom or like one side you get the purple color crescent moon, and on top you get like a dark gray color, which I feel like it's like a nice blend, because you don't want it overly too bright, you don't want it overly too dark. So I feel like having that dark and light contrast really blends well with this contact lens. And the limbo ring on the outside is not really like a dark black, it's more like a dark gray color, which I think is a nice combo just to emphasize or enhance the lavender purple on the inside as well. Like I say, in terms of the enlargement, it's a little bit too big for me. So would I wear this again? I'm not sure, but I really do hope that they release this same pattern, this same eye color without this thick dark border, and make it into like a glowy natural collection or like the natural glowy collection, because I would love to wear this on like a daily basis, or like a, you know, like just something that I tend to go for in terms of the diameter, because I think it would be such a beautiful color to wear. So the way I imagine it is perhaps with the pattern, the inside stay the same, where you get, you know, the lavender crescent moon, and up top you get like the dark black gray crescent moon, and then for the border maybe perhaps like a dark brown would be nice, or like even a dark black, because it would just enhance the whole look, like it would just enhance the border as well, which will be great. But don't know, we'll see if they will release it, because again, with this color, it's really beautiful. I love the purple. I love how this purple makes your eyes like more dolly like, and I can see that they have achieved that. But in terms of, you know, me wearing it that often, I'm not sure, because again, it's really big on my eye. I mean, it does give me like this dolly eye effect, but apart from that, I'm not sure. I really like the color. Let me know what you guys think. And in this Big Glowy collection, they do have 3 other colors, which is mocha brown, gray, and hazel, which I've done review on all of it before. I've done close-up if you guys want to check out, but obviously I'll show you guys quick close-up here as well if you guys want to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what you guys think of this contact lens. I would love to know, and let me know if you guys want Olens to release like more of a smaller diameter of this lavender color, because I think it would be very unique. I mean, who knows what other color they might release next. They might release like a pink one, that would be nice, or like a peachy color. I'm really surprised they released lavender, because I thought that the next color they might do is like olive, which they tend to be, they tend to do more, but they released a lavender one, so yeah, not sure. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.